To utilize a current credit card effectively, it is essential to understand how it operates. This type of credit card helps establish credit without accumulating debt by limiting spending to the amount deposited into the associated account. The process begins with adding money to the account, as the credit card draws from the available balance. Funding options include direct deposit from an employer or external bank account, as well as depositing a check or adding cash at various retailers. To link a bank account, simply open the app, navigate to the Accounts section, select Funding Sources, and then tap Add a Funding Source. Choose the bank from the list and follow the prompts to add and verify the account. Once the account is funded, the credit card can be used to pay for items by swiping it in store or adding it to a digital wallet for added convenience. Additionally, cash can be withdrawn from in-network ATMs. As spending occurs, the account sets aside money from the main account into reserved funds, which are used to repay the outstanding credit card bill at the end of the month. This repayment is then reported to the credit bureaus, resulting in a boost to the credit score. By following these steps, it is possible to effectively use a current credit card to build credit without incurring debt.